There's a lie being told about experienced workers and AI, and I need to set the record straight. You've probably heard it. Older workers are resistant to technology. They can't keep up. They're going to be replaced by younger, more tech-savvy employees. I used to hear this constantly. From executives, from consultants, from the headlines. Then I actually led an AI transformation. Over 450 employees, average age 45, average tenure 12 years. These were people with deep expertise, decades of institutional knowledge, the kind of pattern recognition you can only build over time. According to the conventional wisdom, the mature workers should have been the hardest to train, the most resistant, the ones holding the company back. This was 100% false. Here's what actually happened. When we rolled out AI tools and tracked the data, the highest adoption rates weren't from the 25-year-olds. They were from employees in their 40s and 50s. Why? Because they had something AI doesn't have: judgment. They knew what good looked like in their field. They could spot when the AI output was wrong or missing context. They understood the business well enough to ask the right questions. Experience wasn't the problem. It was the advantage. We transformed that entire workforce. AI adoption went from 15% to 78%. Engagement scores went up, and we did it without a single layoff. The problem was never the people. It was how change was being managed. It was the narrative telling them they were obsolete. So if you've been feeling anxious about AI, like maybe your experience doesn't matter anymore, I want you to know the data says otherwise. I just released something I wish existed 5 years ago. It's called the Amplification Readiness Assessment. In 10 minutes, you'll discover your overall AI readiness score out of 100. Also, which 4 key areas is your biggest growth opportunity around AI comfort and curiosity, experience and valuation, mindset and adaptability, and finally, action and application. Specific next steps based on your results. Take it, see your score, and stop believing the lie.